Is there a lamer way to die than this?
Please keep your voice down while in the library. I find your face is rather noisy.
His face? That's not reasonable at all!
Tayo, what was that?
The book blew up all of a sudden!
Just get out of there, before she can find you. Mei-chan's coming from corridor A12. You have 6.5 seconds. At that volume, the mandatory penalty level is gonna be instant death. Mei-chan will go for your lungs and upper torso. Meaning? Drop to the floor!
I see the memories of the dead are being violated.